Hey, welcome back. This is a quick video on how to move your sliders for section 8.1, 8.2. I think I had like 7 or 8 emails asking me the same question that you're not able to move the slider. So this is something that I would like to suggest. Here is the problem: pizza cooking time for local restaurant followed by normal distribution with standard deviation of 1.2 and unknown population mean. If a random sample of 29 pizzas is taken and the results in sample mean of 8.2, that results in a sample mean of 8.2 minutes with 9.95% confidence interval. So let's go ahead and start with the confidence interval first. Again, you're going to change that to a decimal. 95% confidence interval is 0.95. So you can see my graph is wide, 95%, right? So I'm only left with 0.5% on both sides. Now the next step is to go ahead and move my sample mean. Sample mean is 8.2. So this is what I want you all to look at. When I move it, I'm going to 7.8 and 8.4, 7.8 and 8.4, 8 and 8.4. I think this is what you guys have asked me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in, and that's what I recommend you all to do as well. And I'm zooming in by pressing Control and plus sign. Or you can press this little button. Let me see. Can you see that? You can press this little, let me move my, you can press this little button here, and then you can zoom in based on what device you're using. But trust me, sometimes it gets really hard if you're using a tablet or iPad. So, but always zoom in. So once I'm zoomed in, you can see that on the screen. I'm going to move this to 8. There you go, 8 and 8.2. Right there. So when you zoom in, you'll have more freedom to move things around. And again, my standard deviation is 1.2. Sample size is 29. Where are you? Right there. Okay, so quick tip is to zoom in completely, and if you still can't move it, then press Control and plus sign again, and try to move them. Now let's see if I can move 7.8, 8 and 8.2. There you go. So the more you zoom in, the more control you have of that slider. And again, you tried your level best. You spent 10 minutes on it. Just send me a quick email saying, Miss, I'm trying to move the slider to 8.2, but it's not working. This is what I got. I will go back and check and make sure you get your points. All right, take care.